Hi everyone, I've got this amazing experience with my new Skydio 2 drone that I have to share with you. Road Rally is a motorcycle adventure channel and me and Adele was riding and testing the new Skydio drone. We were very excited and the drone was tracking us in fixed track mode while flying ahead of us. We came to a corner and the drone flew into the field to keep a fixed distance from us. I was not aware of the power line in the field next to the road, and the next moment, the most amazing thing happened. The Skydio 2 drone crashed into a power line and tumbles to the ground. But then, just before it hit the ground, it recovered itself and continued to hover above the ground. Let's check it out in slow motion. I could not believe my eyes. How amazingly fast was the processing done and the calculations while tumbling to prevent it from hitting the ground. According to Skydio, the drone's 3D model update is more than 1 million points per second. And this Skydio 2 and Skydio 2 Plus drone can do 500 iterations per second. That is amazing. This drone was busy tumbling and while tumbling, making calculations and did not hit the ground. Wow, I'm really impressed. Does anyone have a similar experience with a Skydio 2 drone or maybe even a DJI drone? Please let me know in the comment section below. Well done Skydio. This Skydio 2 drone definitely deserved the seal of breakthrough intelligence.